In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to speed up Udemy videos. Have you ever found yourself wishing you could zip through an educational video, especially when the content feels a bit too slow for your liking? Well, you're in luck because today we're diving into how you can adjust the playback speed of your Udemy courses, making your learning experience both efficient and tailored to your pace. First things first, let's get you logged into your Udemy account. Start by navigating to the Udemy website. Once there, you'll spot the login button at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed. This action will take you to a page where you can log in using various methods. For those of you who prefer using your Google account for logging into websites, Udemy's got you covered. Look for the Google icon on the login page and click on it. This will redirect you to choose an account for login. If you're already signed into Google, you'll see a list of your accounts. Select the one you wish to use for Udemy. If you're not signed in, Google will prompt you to enter your credentials. Follow the steps and grant the necessary permissions to proceed. Now that you're logged in, let's head over to where your courses are. Locate the My Learning section on the Udemy homepage. This section harbors all the courses you're enrolled in, making it a one-stop destination for all your learning needs. Click on it to view your courses. Within the My Learning section, browse through your courses and click on the one you wish to view. This will take you to the course dashboard where all your lectures and course materials are neatly organized for easy access. Here's where the magic happens. To adjust the playback speed, look for the lecture video you want to play. Below or near the video player, you'll find the playback settings. It might appear as a gear icon or a speedometer depending on the design updates. Click on it and you'll see options ranging from 0.5x, half the normal speed, to 2x, double the normal speed, and possibly even higher. Select the speed you prefer. Want to power through the lecture at double speed? Choose 2x. Or perhaps you're watching a complex tutorial that requires a bit more attention to detail and you need it to go slower. In that case, picking a lower speed like 0.75x might be more your pace. The video will immediately adjust to play at your selected speed, allowing you to learn at a pace that suits you best. It's worth mentioning that while adjusting video speed can be a fantastic way to save time or allow for more digestible learning, it's also important to strike a balance. Speeding up videos can sometimes lead to missing crucial information or nuances in the lecture, so use this feature judiciously. Remember, learning is not just about how fast you can go through a course, but also how well you grasp and retain the information presented. So feel free to experiment with different speeds to find the perfect pace that allows for an optimal learning experience. Don't forget, this feature isn't limited to just speeding up videos. If you're revising or feel like you didn't quite catch a concept, slowing down the video can be just as beneficial. The controls are there to enhance your learning experience, so take advantage of them. That's all there is to personalize your learning speed on Udemy. With these simple steps, you're now equipped to breeze through lectures or take it slow, depending on what your study session demands. Happy learning, and remember, the power to tailor your education to your learning style is right at your fingertips.